In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to match payroll check in QuickBooks Online if your bank downloads a single payroll withdrawal that actually represents multiple employee paychecks, you don't want to add it as a new expense. Instead, you'll match that one bank transaction to the individual paychecks already recorded in QuickBooks Online. This keeps your books clean, prevents duplicates, and ties the bank feed to your payroll records. Start by opening the Transactions menu and selecting Bank Transactions. This takes you to your bank feed. Make sure you're viewing the correct bank account and switch to the For Review tab so you can work with items that haven't been added to your books yet. Look down the list for the payroll withdrawal. It often appears as a lump sum with a description from your payroll service. Confirm the date and amount. Look right for the payroll you ran. If your list is long, you can narrow it by filtering for a date range around the pay date or by scanning for the exact amount. Click the transaction to expand its details. You'll see options like Add and Find Match. Do not choose Add because that would create a brand new expense and duplicate what payroll has already recorded. Instead, select Find Match. This opens a matching window that looks for existing transactions in QuickBooks, like paychecks, that could tie to the bank withdrawal. In the matching window, review the list of transactions. You're looking for the individual paychecks that together equal the total amount of the bank withdrawal. Check the boxes for each relevant paycheck. It helps to sort by date so you're focusing on the correct pay period and to glance at the net amount so the math lines up. As you select paychecks, watch the total at the bottom or side of the panel. Your goal is for the selected total to exactly equal the bank transaction amount. If the totals align, you're ready to complete the process. Click Match. QuickBooks will link that single bank withdrawal to the set of paychecks you selected, moving the bank item out of For Review and into your books without creating duplicates. If the total doesn't match, pause and double check the pay dates and amounts to be sure you've selected the correct items from that payroll run. Once you identify the right combination, the Match button will confirm the link. That's it. You've matched a lump sum payroll withdrawal to multiple paychecks, keeping your bank feed and payroll records perfectly in sync. Repeat the same process each payroll cycle to maintain accurate, clean books.